Just a quick tip, safety tip, if you plan on buying an Infinity Precision Straight Edge. Next. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Nail that for your sanity! This is The Shack. Hello and welcome back to The Shack. In this video, I'm just going to quickly go over something. I just received my 48-inch Infinity Precision Straight Edge. Right here. I noticed something as soon as I took it out of the packaging, and I thought I'd make a quick video to warn you of this possible situation. Maybe this one just got through the quality control, but if I didn't notice it right away, there is a very good chance I may have cut myself on this. As soon as I grabbed it, I grabbed like this, pulled it out of the packaging, that felt rough. Basically, when they milled this, yeah, right there, really sharp. It's almost like the metal rolled over to the edge. This is nice, but there's a couple of spots on here, right there. Pretty much from here, almost a full distance on this one side. On this side, there's a couple of spots that metal kind of rolled over, if you will, and it makes for a very sharp edge. And when I grabbed it, I could feel it. It was that noticeable. I mean, not just a small burr, a very large burr, and I could actually feel it. And when I set it on my table saw, you could see in the black, you could actually see a very, like a hairline line going down here of nice shiny metal. That burr rolled over, made for a very sharp edge. Just want you to be aware of that. So what I did was, quick little side note, if you're interested, I am having a little giveaway. I will have a link to the video up here. Check that video. It'll tell you how to enter. Just something I'm doing. I paid for the few things I'm giving away. I got nothing for free. Just my way of saying thank you to all those who have subscribed and watched the videos. I know it's not a lot, but then I'm not a big channel, so I do what I can because I truly appreciate all of you who have subscribed and follow my channel, especially those who interact. I truly enjoy that. Back to the video. I have a very fine file. You don't want to do anything to the bottom. I am literally have it on an angle, very gentle. I'm not even pushing, I'm kind of letting it do itself because it's just very, very fine. Kind of rolling it down like this, and then I tilt it this way and I go again at an angle just like this. I feel it. If I need to go over it again in one spot, I'm making sure I don't even come near this, and now that's actually smooth. This whole side's smooth. This side I have to go through the whole length again, starting, okay, right there it is again. Right there it is. Very sharp. Just something for you to see. I will try to bring the camera up closer, try to get a shot of that. I will gently go over this again, very gently, not pushing. I apologize for the noise, but it's cold, it's raining out. I got the heater going on in the shop. I don't have no insulation, so ooh, right there I could actually see the rough edge right through there. Let me readjust the camera. I'm going to show you something real quick. Again, I apologize for the sound, but the heater's right behind me. So what I'm going to do, very sharp right there. I don't know if that will show anything. There is a little lip right through here. So what I'm going to do, let me get that edge here then. See, this one's been done. I'm going to take a piece of paper, run over this edge. Nothing, see? Doesn't cut. So I'm going to go on this side where it's really tough right there. Whoop. As soon as I hit that rough edge right there, it cut. Right there again, see? It's cutting. A little sharp edge. I'm saying it's not a lot, but it's enough. So I'm going to show you how I do this. See, this is smooth. See, I don't have no problem doing it on this side. I'm not going to do it on this side because it's rough. A real spot right there. So what I'm doing, I'm very gently, see, it's flat, angled just a little bit, because I want to get that edge cut off. You can hear it when I hit it. This side not flat, again at an angle. I'm going to bring back down just to break that little piece off. You just take your time, you can feel it. Oh, that's good right there, look at that. So I got no problem doing it now because it's smooth. Ooh, right there. That's a big spot right there. I can feel it. And when I'm going down like this, it goes smooth. All of a sudden it caught, because I caught that rough edge right here. And now see? That feels much, much better. Much, much better. A little bit right there. Bueno. Oh yeah, see now I got no problem going up and down here. That's smooth. So I'm gonna do that to the whole length, and that's it. Just a little something, because sometimes I've gotten items from woodpecker that I had to do maintenance on. And I notified them in case they had a bad batch, in case customers call in and let them know. One of my 24-inch, yeah, the T-ruler, the 24-inch T, all the holes, some of them were plugged. I'd say 60% of the holes were plugged. I couldn't get a pencil in to mark. So I got a cleaner, the little hole cleaner I have for my oxyacetylene tanks, the torch, the little tip cleaner. I went through every hole, and there's like 300 or something holes. I went through every single one and cleaned. So it doesn't matter the manufacturer. There are some things that will get through because they cannot check every single piece. They grab random pieces at every batch. They've passed, they're good. And there may be some in there that are bad. It just happens. So I'm gonna go through this whole side again. Right here. Yeah, this section right here now is rough. So I'm gonna go through that. And that's it, we are done. Just something, yeah, I can feel it grab right there. Again, not pressing hard at all, just letting it roll down. And you do not want to touch the top here and do anything to it. You're just taking the burr basically off the edge of this. Oh, much better. Right here. Oh yeah. Now we're good to go. I have no worries. It's safe. Very easy, very simple. Takes care of that sharp edge. Now I have no issues. I can go along, feel this, use it without any chance, any possibility of, even if it's like a paper cut, it's still a cut, kind of annoying. Just something to make you aware of. Whenever you get a new tool, especially something like this, just have a little caution during unpackaging. Check the edges to make sure. I don't care if it's woodpecker, anything online, anything on Amazon, Infinity, Woodcraft, anything may have something like this. During the milling process, they could have left a little burr, and you could have a chance of possibly getting cut. Just something to warn you about. That is it on this quick little tip. This will be used mainly for setting up my joiner because my shop's kind of torn apart. I'm getting ready to use carbon coat. Want to know more? I'll have a link to that up there. I'm going to go through and do my bandsaws, my newly acquired Harvey bandsaw, the used but new to me jet joiner, my Rockler cast iron router table, which actually is covered but somehow got a little bit of rust on it, and I'm going to do my planer also. All the tools are going to get a carbon coat. With the next couple of days of rain, this is what I'm going to be doing. So that is it. That's my chore for the next couple of days. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack. Hold it for your sanity. Always something to do in the shop, no matter what the weather is like outside. Thanks again for watching. We will see you next video.